Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Zalavadia. I am founder and CEO of SteepGraph Systems, which is based in Pune, and we are into the PLM domain. And we are doing good, very good in this field. In the last 12 years, we have earned a good name in our ecosystem, and our peers, our customers appreciates us a lot. And why? What is the formula of this success, a formula of where we are? I feel that I should share this. We started our journey in 2009 with few colleagues, Kalpesh, and later Avinash also joined, and a few founding members, Smita and a few others. It started with a very closed group with the full focus on giving 120% in whatever we do. And one of the philosophy always was there with the organization is that how can I give my best? How can I take the ownership, responsibilities, and give my best 120% to my customers? So this was a pioneer thought, pioneer cultural stone for an organization. And when you are giving your best, quality is automatically comes out. Your commitment automatically comes out. You are never satisfied with less qualitative or less than the mark outcomes. So you express your quality in your deliverables, in your communication, in your responsiveness, in your documents, in your planning, in your email, everywhere. And that is what my team has been expressing since last 12 years. And I always tell to all the juniors, all the freshers, young people, that guys, this is the time to cultivate the best habits in the life. And if you cultivate these habits of giving your best, giving your 120% quality work, committed for your own work, proactiveness, agility, this will be your weapon, your friend for the lifetime. The technical languages, Java, C++, Oracle, these can be easily learned in a month or by certification. But these skills, which is a part of your own being, it takes time. It needs a culture. It needs right team around you. And that is the only way you can cultivate these kind of skills. So I always tell my team that in the initial 5 years of your career, do the right things, which is building your inherent or basic skills of taking ownership, being proactive, being reactive, taking some risk, and ready for outcomes. Failure is inevitable. It comes and goes. You have to keep trying, but don't stop taking the risks, right? So that is what my team has embraced in their culture, in their life, and that's how the SteepGraph is met. This is the biggest difference which I see compared to any other competitors or MNCs. Being a small company, what is in our control is to maintain and build the culture, build the values, and also decide to change the direction as and when required, change the way of working, change what is not working. So this decision making is very, very fast when you are part of a small organization. And that helps to business, that helps us to be more and more agile in our business, with our employees, with our customer. So this is our strength. So I always appreciate that being a small is also a big strength. It's matter of the other person to see which strength they are looking for. Either they want to be part of a strength of a small company, or they want to be part of the strength of the big company when they have big muscles. But big muscles, big reachability, big infrastructure, big framework, it has its own advantage. But then it has its own losses as well, disadvantages as well. So as an individual, what do you want? Do you want to advance in your career? Cultivate the right skills, cultivate the right attitude in the life, be part of the agile environment, be part of a very, dynamically learning path, where in a smaller company you will always see that there are multiple projects keep changing, you do the small projects again to the next one, and then some parallel things going on. It is a continuous learning, continuous on the toes. And at SteepGraph, I always tell people, don't stick to the tool or language or one PLM framework. Just focus on being useful, being able to add the value, whatever it may be. It's a C, Java, .NET, whatever, doesn't matter. Take Oracle, SQL, doesn't matter. Take 3D experience, RAS, PTC, doesn't matter. You should just be open. It doesn't need anything else. And you will be able to do it, because it's all same thing. Once learned one language, everything else same. And most of my people are multi-skilled on different languages, multi-skilled on PLM platforms. And that is I'm proud of. So whenever some customer asks, oh, how many people you have on this side and that side, I say my people are multi-skilled and they're very flexible to adapt to different kind of projects. So that is the strength of being a part of a small company, that you are exposed to multiple things. You are trained to embrace and adapt the varieties, and don't stuck up in one thing that, oh, I am expert only in Java and architect of this and this. Okay, fair. But being useful is more important than being architect, wherever you are. So this is what I wanted to share with you, that this is some strength of a small organization. And we are looking for the people who believes that, yes, this is something which they want to cultivate in their life and in their career. They like to be part of such a energetic, dynamic team, and they want to be part of this journey. So I invite you, if you also share the similar mindset, similar aspirations, and if what we are doing is something is appealing to you, then please join, because we are different. Thank you so much. All the best.